Hey y'all, cooking out of my book today. Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. I'm happy to be here today, but you know what? I keep looking at the recipes that they've asked me to come in and fix, and I think they have mixed up my recipes with my brother's recipes. These are too easy. I don't even care if you tell Bobby that. I've done 3 easy recipes today, and of course y'all will get those over time. I'm shooting them all today. I've got a free day today. I'm happy to be here at Mom's house. I've cooked a couple of recipes today out of Mom's Magazine, which I cannot recommend high enough. It has really got some of my favorite recipes that my family and I enjoy at our house. But today I'm cooking out of my name is on it and my face is on it. My much younger face at the time is on it. But the thing that makes me the most happy is that Jack is on the back. So this is a piece that Jack and I were able to work on together. The back of this book has got dedicated children's recipes that we share. Jack is now a young man. He's 15 years old. He's a freshman in high school, and I am no longer that young. Photoshop did a pretty good job on that one. This book is fantastic. My friend did all the illustrations. This is all the pictures from around town. This book is just beautiful, and I was so happy to get to do it with Jack and with all of my friends. And the woman that I wrote it with lives here in town, and I love her, and her husband's a sequential arts professor. He did all the illustrations for it. A labor of love, really, is what this is. And the bonus is full of delicious recipes. If y'all can find a copy of Jamie Deen's Good Food, this is a delicious cookbook that you can eat from 7 days a week. It's traditional family food with a healthy slant. So this is a healthy recipe for you today that we love to do here because it involves shrimp. There is no shortage of shrimp here in Savannah, Georgia. And today we're using 1.5 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp. And to this mixture, I'm gonna rough cut 2 cloves of garlic. This is a little dish with some big flavors. So 2 cloves of garlic. I was just looking, isn't this cutting board beautiful? This is just a natural piece of tree that I don't know who had done it for Mom, but I love it. And I've got 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary. Again, this is gonna be a rough chop. As you can see, I've taken it off the stem here. And so to our bowl of 1.5 peeled and deveined, we're gonna add our 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of roughly chopped rosemary. Did I say teaspoons? I meant to say tablespoons. And now to this, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Olive oil, garlic, rosemary, salt, and pepper. I like, and Mom uses the same thing here. The rough cracked pepper is really my favorite because you can see it and you can taste it too. And I like kosher salt. And we're gonna mix this up. Now this is going on a sheet pan. So there's a lot of different ways you can enjoy the shrimp. There's barbecue shrimp, there's fried shrimp, there's boiled shrimp. I saute a lot of shrimp. This shrimp today is going into the oven. So with just a little bit of salt and pepper, a couple of cloves of garlic, a little bit of this fresh rosemary. We're gonna put this into the oven for 10 minutes. Now there's a lot of different items that you could pair with this, obviously. It'd be delicious if you pop it onto a salad. But we're gonna eat these plain today. This is kind of like a little hors d'oeuvre for our family here. And anything left over, this would make a delicious shrimp salad. So y'all don't go anywhere. This is going in the oven for 10 minutes. When you get back, we'll have delicious garlicky shrimp.
And I can have some.
You can have all of it, Mama. Ooh, y'all look at here. Now, the mistake that you can make when you do these is if you cook them too long, it gets the texture and the consistency of like the end of a number 2 pencil. These are, man, woo! A little bit of rosemary. The garlic is really a good strong flavor. The olive oil, I love shrimp. Y'all like shrimp? Good for you too. Love to do it. So we're gonna pop a couple in the bowl here. Just see how pretty those are. My mom has a recipe for pickled shrimp that is probably in the top 10 things that I like to eat. I love shrimp, and they're good enough for you that you can eat 1,000,000 of them. A little bit of lemon on top of here.
Eddie Michael's gonna love this because this is actually something he can eat.
Yep, this is another, we've done a few recipes today. I did not wear this University of Georgia shirt every day on different days, although I have 3 different colors and I have been known to wear them in consecutive days. We're doing all this together for y'all today. So I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon on here. Golly. This would be so good in a po' boy. And a little bit more black pepper right on the top. Look how pretty that is. Let me clean up my board. Isn't that pretty? So simple, y'all. Eddie and Teresa are here helping me. All I do is stand here and talk about it. They really do all the hard work. This literally took us 10 minutes to do. This is one of the easier recipes that you'll ever find. It's different because the shrimp are baked rather than sauteed. And I really like the garlic and the rosemary flavor with it. Mwah! Chef's kiss, or cook's kiss in this circumstance. Put it in a bowl, serve it to your friends, put it over a salad, or just eat them plain right off the pan. They can't be beat. I appreciate your time today, y'all. I'll see you around the stove.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.